Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. My name is Mary Beth Angelelli. I want to welcome you back. And what I want to do is continue to share with you this amazing system that I've been part of ever since it launched the early part of last year. And yesterday, I uploaded a video where I went into great detail on how to have success in this new year of 2023 with this tested and proven system. I shared different tips and strategies on how to best position yourself to be able to achieve the best results using this system. Okay, I also showed you what's possible when you believe in the system, believe in yourself, and take the initiative, take action, and remain consistent with your daily marketing efforts. Okay, and I have a lot of results oriented videos on my YouTube channel. This one here, Retire with Mary Beth, showcasing and documenting my entire journey since I got started with the system over a year ago. So you can definitely check that out. And I'm going to drop the information below in the description. So after this video concludes, you can go and review everything, including my website. And I'm also going to put my link to my Facebook page so that you can go through and look at some of my current recent results. And also I'm going to include my contact information, my personal cell. This way, if you have any questions, folks, you can reach out to me by text or phone, give me a ring, shoot me a text. That by far is the best way to reach me, okay? So what I'm doing right now is a little different twist. I am going to bring you inside of our Facebook group. It's one of our proof groups for Infinity Processing System. And I want to show you other people also having results with this amazing system as well, okay? This is something that can work for anybody, anywhere. It's a worldwide, global opportunity, requires no special skills, no special background, or education. Okay, we provide you with everything you need to start getting results and experiencing success where you can work from the comfort of your home or anywhere and earn extra income and start to create a positive cash flow from anywhere in the world. Okay, so without further ado, let me get into the good stuff, folks. Here we have a team member by the name of Anne Marie, and she is welcoming a member that just joined her yesterday at the $600 level. This is our newest level. It is the premium super affiliate level where you can earn $600 commissions, keeping 100% of the commission. There are no pass ups, no monthly fees, direct member to member. You can get paid however you desire. Okay, so scrolling on downward here, we have Sonika right here, and she is sharing a recent payment that she received here for $600. Another rock star joined, she said. $600 instant payments. Here we come. Okay, so she's celebrating her new team member joining her at the new premium level. And here is her payment proof right here. Okay, so coming on down here, we have Jamie, and Jamie just joined 2 short days ago, and already she got paid, folks. So this is just more continued proof and documentation that the system works, and it has the potential to work quickly, folks, depending on you. If you're an action taker, folks, you're motivated, you come into this system, you follow the simple instructions, you plug into the training, and then you go out into the marketplace and apply and implement what you're learning to get these kind of results, folks. Okay, now individual results do vary. They will vary, okay, because I know it depends on you, folks. Okay, it depends on the action that you take and your ability to follow through and just complete your training, folks. And it's not difficult. This is not rocket science. This is a very user-friendly, very newbie-friendly system, and it's very easy to navigate. Something anybody can do, folks. Okay, so as you can see, folks, this can work. It does work, and it has the possibility and potential to work quickly. Okay. So coming on down here, folks, let's look at what we have. All right. We have Latoya, and she just received a payment here of $300. That's our pro level. That's our six-figure blueprint, which is very, very popular. Now, most people have been joining at the $300 pro level and the $600 super affiliate premium because that's where the greatest content, value, and income potential exists. So, I mean, if you're serious, you want to position yourself for the best results, you want to position yourself for full-time income potential. In 2023, you aspire to become a six-figure income earner. I would highly recommend that you come in either at the $300 pro level or the $600 super affiliate premium. And you can always move onward and upward, and you can always upgrade, okay? So let's just come down here and let me just share a couple more with you. Lloyd here. Okay, Lloyd is welcoming a new team member at the pro level, which is the $300 level. Okay. And Annie. Annie loves this program. She says this program works. She loves it. She woke up to another payment of $300. So this is just a small sampling, folks, of what is possible when you join, take action, plug into the system, go through the training, and then apply and implement. It's a very simple system. Now let me show you what my website looks like, folks. This is where I invite you to come inside to get all the information and all the details, okay? So you're going to head on over to yoursuccessblueprint.biz, B-I-Z, yoursuccessblueprint.biz, okay? So this will be my capture page. This is what it looks like right here. And you're going to be able to go inside after you enter your email address and click show me the video. And you're going to be able to watch the free video that reveals the six-figure blueprint. And you'll be able to learn how you can start earning hundreds of dollars daily by posting pre-written ads on social media. Using the simple system, just copy and paste. This is going to help you to be able to turn your computer and your internet access into a successful home business, if that is what you are seeking in this new year, folks. Okay, so go ahead, go to my website. The link is below, or you might need to type it in to your browser, enter your email, click on show me the video. When you do so, you are going to be taken to this page right here. This is the presentation page. Okay, and you're going to want to definitely watch this video here because it's going to do all the telling, selling, and explaining, which is what it does for me, folks. Okay, your primary task is just going to be to advertise, and we give you all of the tools and resources and training and strategies on exactly how to successfully accomplish that. Okay, this has been a great marketing system, folks. Very powerful, very compelling video. So definitely watch that and then drop on down here to the webinar presentation. Now, this is a new webinar presentation that's going to go into greater detail on the benefits of this system. So you definitely want to watch this webinar. And then if you like what you see and hear on these two presentations, then you want to review this. Okay. You want to click here on this red Get Started Today button. This is taking you to the company sales page. Everyone has their own sales page, folks. You will have your own when you join, and everything will be branded and coded to you. This is the very same video. You'll want to scroll down here, folks. See, this is me right here. Okay. Come on down here, find out how this three-step system works, where you can start making 100% commissions. Step 1, get started. Step 2, post ads on social media. Step 3, get paid. Okay? You can read all the wonderful information. And again, you can hear more real testimonials, more real stories from real members who have experienced great things, folks. Okay? So more continued proof this system works. Definitely go through these, watch them, okay? And then come on down here, folks. And this is where you will find the products where you can get started at the level that is currently best fit for you, folks. So get in where you fit in. You can always move onward and upward. You can always upgrade at any time. Okay, we have 4 product packages. Our 50 starter level, our 150 elite internet automation secrets product package level. And this is where most people are joining, especially if you're serious, folks. You really want to get the most out of this opportunity, the greatest value, content, and training to be very well positioned for maximum income earning potential in 2023, folks. $300 pro level six-figure blueprint. And the reason this is called a six-figure blueprint is if you do some simple math, folks, $300 a day equates to a six-figure a year annual income earning potential. All right, so you can go ahead and check this out. And then this is our brand new premium $600 super affiliate, most recommended, okay? Because it allows you to earn the highest commissions. And then you'll come down here, folks, and this is where you can see what each product package includes. This is the content all bundled up, and it's broken down, folks, and highlighted, okay? So this is what the 50 package comes with. This is what the 150 package comes with. And this is what the $300 Pro package comes with, okay? Everything here that you see, folks. So there's really amazing value, great content to truly help you to win and succeed. And what's wonderful, folks, is you can utilize this training for not only IPS, but any online opportunity, okay? So this is going to equip you with the skill set necessary to position yourself as someone of influence and as a leader in this industry. Okay, once you successfully complete and master these different modules and go out into the marketplace, start advertising, apply and implement what you learn. Okay, there's a wonderful bonus that comes with this. And then you can go ahead and check out this highly recommended. This is a brand new $600 premium product package. Okay, super affiliate. This is going to teach you how to become a master marketer and super affiliate online. All right. There's so much content, folks. It's unbelievable. You can go ahead and check this all out for yourself. You're even going to get a special extra added bonus, which consists of a $1,000 digital savings card. You're going to be given 1,000 credits to use and apply to help you as you travel this year to save money on your hotel stays, your car rentals, and fun activities along the way. You're going to be able to turn around and position yourself to be able to offer these bonuses to all of your new team members. People are absolutely loving this, folks. Hey, who doesn't like to make money and who doesn't like to save money, folks? You get the best of both worlds, okay, at the premium level. So let me just show you some potential, folks. Okay, this is just for visualization purposes only. One sale a day at the premium level, $600 daily income. This is what your weekly income potential could look like. $4,200 per week, $16,800 a month, okay? So this is what's possible with the system. Of course, we can't make claims, guarantees, or promises, okay? And nobody can do that. It's all going to be dependent on you, your ability to take the initiative, take action, your willingness to do that, and then your ability to follow simple instructions and go through the training, apply and implement it, show up every day, and just commit. Make a commitment to yourself and to this new year, and just remain consistent with your marketing efforts, okay? Show up daily, advertise the system. That is your primary task. That's all you have to focus on, folks, is just advertising. And we show you exactly how to do it, where to do it, and all that good stuff contained within this amazing, amazing training. Now, I accept Cash App, just to let you know real quick, and I also accept credit and debit cards. This is a worldwide opportunity. If you're outside of the United States, just go ahead and click on this Buy Now button, and you can pay with your card, okay? So look at bonus number 1, FAQs, frequently asked questions. Down here, bonus number 2, your vacation voucher. And bonus number 3, your hotel savings card. This all awaits you on the inside, folks. With that being said, I'd love to invite you to come inside, review everything for yourself firsthand. The link to my website is below. You may need to type it into your browser. My Facebook link is below. Check it out, okay? And then any questions, folks? Definitely reach out to me, text or call me. And with that being said, I'd love to welcome you in advance to the team, to Infinity Processing System, and I look forward to seeing you soon and welcoming you into our wonderful Facebook community very soon, okay? Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.